Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to separate business income streams in Bluevine. If you manage multiple income streams, Bluevine makes it easy to keep them organized. Here's how to set it up. First step, log into your Bluevine accounts. Now create dedicated sub-accounts for each income stream, for example, consulting, e-commerce, and freelance writing. Update your payment sources. For each client, platform, or processor, you want to enter the routing and account numbers for the sub-accounts that's tied to that income stream. Now, if a source doesn't deposit directly into a sub-account, you can route payments into your main balance and then manually transfer them into the correct envelope. Label and categorize transactions in each sub-account so the reports stay clean. And at month end, you can generate or export reports per sub-account to see exactly how each stream is performing. This keeps income clearly separated, making cash flow easier to manage and taxes much simpler to file. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.